Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I want to tell you something that just happened. I just received a call that Ria and Ron, our brother and sister, they are fighting in the absence of their parents. So I have to sort out their problem. So will you come with me? What? Yes. Oh, that's great. Come with me.
No, my sentence is correct that the portrait will be sketching by artist.
You are wrong. My sentence is 100% correct that the portrait will sketching by artist.
Oh, now only I know that they both are learning active and passive voice, but they have very much doubts. So let's clear them. I'm watching that you both are arguing with each other. You have lots of doubts. So I want to clear them. May I?
Why not?
Let's understand. Active and passive is like if we write 3 into 2, it is same as 2 into 3 means active and passive both have same meaning, but the method of writing and saying is different. So what method or way that makes both of them different? Let's understand. In active voice, we write subject, then verb, after that object. In passive voice, we write object first, then verb, after that subject. Now let's take an example. Mr. Bose will renovate the house. So here, Mr. Bose is subject, will renovate is verb, and the house is the object. Now just convert it into the passive voice. The house will be renovated by Mr. Bose. Here, the house, which was the object in the last sentence, came in starting, verb remains at its place, and Mr. Bose came at the place of the house. Now, let's learn the rule of conversion from active to passive in various tense. Rule number 1. In all infinite or simple tenses, it is very easy to change. We have to just change the place of object and subject and change the helping verb accordingly if needed. In passive voice, there must be verbs past participle form. Example. First, simple present. In active voice, we write the artist sketches the portrait. In passive voice, we write the portrait is sketched by artist. Second, simple past. We will write the artist sketched the portrait, and in passive voice we will write the portrait was sketched by the artist. In simple future we will write the artist will sketch the portrait. In passive voice, the portrait will be sketched by the artist. Here we have to add be also. Now, in second rule, with all continuous tense except future continuous, we'll add being with the first rule. Let's take example. First, present continuous. The artist is sketching the portrait. The portrait is being sketched by artist. Second, past continuous. The artist was sketching a portrait. A portrait was being sketching by the artist. Hope so it's all clear to you. So now we'll learn the third rule. With all perfect tense, we will use been after had, has, have. Let's take example. First, present perfect. The artist has sketched the portrait. The portrait has been sketched by the artist. Second, past perfect. The artist had sketched the portrait. The portrait had been sketched by artist. Third, future perfect. The artist will have sketched the portrait. The portrait will have been sketched by the artist. In rest sentences, we can't change active voice to passive. Means only in 8 sentences out of 12 can be changed into passive voice. As we have learned that we change the place of object and the subject. So when we change I as object, we use me. When we change you as an object, we use you as it is. When he as an object, we will use him. She as an object, her. It as an object remains it. We as an object becomes us. They as an object is them. Now I thought all your doubts get cleared. And the sentence you are changing, Ron and Ria, is totally wrong. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share.